let's get into this meal prep. I feel like what's her name? Not Betty Crocker, Paula Deen. HEB kind of blew me because I asked for thin cut chicken breast and they gave me thick cut. I'm going to do a salad with the chicken, and I think I'm going to add beans, these pinto beans, and I've never added beans. Well, I think I'm gonna add beans just so I can stay a little bit more full for longer. And again, all the protein the better. I'm trying to gain weight the healthy way. I also have salmon that I'm gonna make in a salad as well. I think I'm gonna add just avocado and rice to that. And these Dollar Tree jars, like perfect proportion, size, and everything. So yeah, these were literally $1.25, so I think so. Okay, so these are the seasonings I'm using. This Texas all-purpose Creole seasoning, garlic powder, paprika, parsley, black pepper, and I got this Tony's, the no salt version, because I'm already using this which has salt in it. So I only use one thing that has salt. I have this garlic salt, but I'm not going to use it because again I already have something that has salt in it. Some poultry seasoning, I always make my chicken with this, and some blackened seasoning. It just make it a little spicy and flavorful and stuff. Okay, so meal prepping saves you so much time, y'all. When I tell you I get up, throw my little things in my lunch bag, and head to work, super convenient. So these jars I got from Dollar Tree, I still cannot believe it. I put them in the dishwasher, no issues. They're easy to clean, just very durable. Literally 1,000 out of 10. Please go look for those jars. This is what I use to clean my fruits off with, my veggies off with. Like, it's a must. Please be making sure to clean any type of produce before you actually consume it. I'm just going to dice up all these veggies, plate them just so it looks very nice, and then we're going to add those into the jars. I seen this TikTok video that was like, if you cut the top off the pepper in the bottom, the guts literally fall right out. Clearly I didn't do it right on this video, but it's still super easy cutting it this way. Oh, so now you want to make love to me. Girl, don't get the fuck from me. I know you thought we had something special, but you mean not to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me. Say nothing to keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one. I didn't realize how flavorful and spicy red onions were. Like, it's a must for me now. I use fresh romaine. Literally rolled it up like some greens and chopped it up. This fresh herb vinaigrette from Salata, 1,000 out of 10. Like, please look for that at your grocery store. It is so good. I can't even explain the taste. It's just so good. Also, make sure to add that dressing at the bottom so your lettuce does not get soggy. When I go to consume the jar or eat the jar, what I do is just shake it up really well, and then that dressing gets mixed all in, and then it's ready to eat, and I just eat it out the jar. I'm not a big fan of feta cheese period, so I think I'll skip the feta next time and try something else. I added beans to my chicken jar and rice to my salmon jar, just because I'm really not necessarily trying to lose weight. So if you are trying to lose weight, just take out those carbs. You want to make sure you have a half a cup of carb and then a cup of protein. So the chicken was a cup, and then I'm adding one full salmon portion into the jar, into each jar. So one is salmon, one is chicken. But she won't get up any young nigga, your friends bad food and some fun with you. And we like, bitch, you with that own shit, we don't like gold niggas. Girl, don't get the fuck from me. I know you thought we had something special, but you mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. So now let's get into these overnight oats. Literally are my fave now. I think I prefer eating my oats cold now instead of hot. But I'm scooping out a half a cup of oats, and then I'm going to add like a half a cup or less of yogurt, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 cup of oat milk. And then I'm going to do honey instead of sugar because it's more healthy, and yeah, it's the way to go. Add some cinnamon or whatever spice you like in your oatmeal. You want to make sure that to mix thoroughly. The chia seeds end up swelling up. They have definitely a different texture, but I love them. They necessarily don't have a taste, but it's just the texture for me. So I'm gonna mix that all up, and then I'm going to add my topper. I usually do banana, but I didn't have banana tonight, so I literally add some blueberries, and it was still super good. Next time I'm going to do apples. So literally experiment with these. Look on Pinterest. I get a lot of my recipes off of Pinterest. And then these spoons right here I got from Dollar Tree as well because I wanted something deep that can go into the jar. Next, let's get into this fruit prep. I just really wanted something super colorful. I'm noticing that it makes me want to actually stick to my meal prep and actually eat what I prep throughout the week when it looks pretty. It sounds cliche or whatever, but the aesthetic it's making me eat it. So literally so good, so pretty. Yeah. And one of the days I just did not want fruit to snack on. I ended up doing peanuts, but I ended up leaving this jar in the fridge for a whole week, and my fruit literally was the same as I put it in. So these mason jars are definitely A1. Okay, so all those jars I got was totaled up to $22 from Dollar Tree. So run, do not walk. You definitely want to add that into your meal prep. Maybe it'll help you, you know, get in the habit of meal prepping and get in the habit of actually eating your meal preps because it looks aesthetically pleasing. I also got these spoons from Dollar Tree that I'm going to use in my overnight oats just because the jar is kind of deep. So I wanted to use these. I do want to give a disclaimer. That much fruit in one day is a lot of sugar. So definitely, you know, do it in moderation. I have a sweet tooth. So it's something to help me not eat a brownie or a cookie, but I do want to say that fruit does carry a lot of sugar. Another thing is I meal prep on Sunday and Wednesday, so you don't want to be eating your meals past 3 days of sitting in the fridge. So literally I meal prep on Sunday for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then I meal prep again on Wednesday for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So you only need to really make 2 meals for each time you meal prep. So I do 2 proteins and then whatever veggie or carb that I choose. So I did the salmon salad, but I added rice to that, and then I did the chicken salad, and then I added beans to that. So mix and match, do it as you please. I hope this video was very informative in the sense for people that do not know how to meal prep or never meal prep before. It's really not that hard. Yeah, it's 11 o'clock. I'm super tired. I started super late, but it literally only took me maybe like an hour and a half, and that was only because I was recording. It would have been like literally an hour top if I wasn't recording. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I will catch you on the next one. Happy New Year, happy health and fitness journey to you. Hope you reach all your goals this year, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.